Yours? I am the workhorse. My job as a workhorse is to come up with my partner in the same zone because we have a huge gap between us right now. I would like to come up and join her in offense zone, but I'm still responsible for the lobs, I'm still responsible for the middle, I'm still responsible for the sharp angle. So I can't just come rushing up too much, but I will come up and join her. I can serve. Okay, they hit it to me. I hit it back cross court. Right now, we are together in the same zone, but still staggered. Mindy can put balls away. I can cover for lobs behind her. I cover the lob. She can take her own lob if it's easy. 2 steps back and just hit. She can take that. But I'm talking about the really high lob that comes back there is for me to run back and retrieve and get. I need to always think that that lob is coming when it's cross court from me. That helps me not overcommit or overclose since they are more likely to lob as we're pressing forward. So a lot of times they will lob, and if I'm seeing it, we can switch, I'll run over here and say, I got it. And I'll hit another shot ahead of myself and get myself in to be the terminator because that player who lobbed is back there. We're hitting to the deepest player. Again, we're staggered. We know exactly who takes what. Now it would be Mindy's job to run for that lob, and I'm getting a break as the terminator.